This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Billy Cantrell. Lovely, fully renovated one-story townhouse. Ready for move-in. 2 large bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This home features an open kitchen with breakfast bar, in-unit washer/dryer, ample closet and pantry space, with large living and dining rooms. The vaulted ceilings create tons of light. There is a gated private patio off the front door. The community features a pool, basketball and tennis courts. Located near schools, shopping, and dining. Close to the new outlet mall and airport. For more information, review the details below.